Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to make your SQLite database faster. Here we have a simple database with just two columns of data here. Here we want to insert, let's say, 1,000 rows of data. So let's run on our device and check the performance. As you can see, guys, it took 5 seconds to insert 1,000 rows of data. Now let's add some code here. So first line of code we need to write is database dot begin transaction, and after we finish inserting our data, let's add database set transaction successful and database dot end transaction, and let's run our device. As you can see, guys, it took only 0.3 seconds to execute this command, so to write another 1,000 rows of data. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See you.